Hey, it's Marissa. Today we're going to be drawing a shark in an inner tube. The first step we're going to take is to draw the shark's little nose. So that's going to be a big giant curve and down. I guess it wasn't so little. Now let's start right about here at the top and then go down and bring that line all the way around past the first line and stop. Here's where one of the fins are going to be, his little hands. So let's start by going down and in, and then we're going to bring that curved line around and up like this. Now over here is going to be another fin. It's just going to be that same kind of curve, and then this time we're going to go up into that line. There we go. Now here's where an eye is going to go. I'm going to draw a circle for the eye and then a circle inside there, and then we're going to color in everything but that middle circle. There we go. Now let's draw some gills here. I'm going to draw a line here, another curve, and another curve. Over here is going to be a big fin, so let's start by going around, and then we're going to go in to touch that line. There we go. Now I'm going to draw a big smile here, or his teeth. So let's go and make that smile. We're going to make a big curve that connects it. Let's draw two little kind of laugh lines, one right here and one right there. I'm going to draw some of his teeth. You're welcome to draw as much as you want, but mine's going to be just a triangle, and then a triangle here, and then one more triangle right here. Now when I color it in, the rest is going to be black except for those little triangles, so it looks like teeth. And let's start by making the big inner tube. Now I'm going to start right about here and then go around, and then here's where that little part of the inner tube is, where you blow into it and it blows up. So just two lines, and then we're going to curve around to make a circle, and then in the middle of that circle draw a line. Now the first line, go past it, and then we're going to make a giant curve that goes around to the other side all the way over here. There we go. Now right where our shark is, there's going to be a line connecting it to look like it's in the middle of an inner tube. So start about where the fin is, and then draw a line that goes across all the way past the shark and around. Looks great. Now the shark's body, the rest of it's going to go right here. So let's start by following this line, go past the inner tube to about right there, and then we're going to make a curve that goes up and in. Let's make another curve right about here that goes up and in as well. We're going to draw his little fin tail, so I'm going to draw a line up and then a line back down and in. We're going to draw a line that goes around, and then from this point I'm going to curve it off so it connects just like this. This line that we made earlier, pretend it goes past it to about here, and then make a curve that goes all the way down and stops. That looks great. Now you can color the inner tube whatever color you want, or pattern or design. I'm going to draw little hearts. So here's a heart. It's just a curve around and another curve. I'm going to pretend the hearts are like coming around the other side of the inner tube. So I'm going to pretend like it's going past it. Just stop and then stop again. So it looks like it's going around. I'm going to draw a curved line here and a curved line here for another heart. It's going around on the inside. And then kind of the same heart that we did here, I'm going to put one right there. So just a curve around and then curve around again and stop. I'm going to draw little lines right here and right here. 2 more on this side. So it looks like he's shaking around. And you're welcome to draw water or whatever you'd like for your shark. Okay, let's color it in. Here's our shark ready to have fun in a little floaty. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye!